I was surprised that we even got it in. I didn't think it was gonna go.
What we do here is go back.
So we just got home and it is 2:15 in the morning. Oh my gosh. Needless to say, this is really cool. You guys will have to wait till part 2 to see kind of when we take it off the trailer and... Come on. Okay, Marty.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
You gonna build this? Yeah. Guess what that is, Marty?
M4?
That's a beautiful M3.
Oh, M3, okay. Nice, nice. Well, you're gonna need to do a lot of work on this. This guy needs to work his ass off here. How much did you get it for?
Guess.
400?
You'd pay 400 for it? I paid 3.
Damn.
And I got a lot of stuff with it too.
That's good for the price.
I almost bought it without the doors.
Well, there's only one door.
There's that other door there.
Oh, yeah.
Thank because I just dropped my jaw. Holy crap. Yeah, okay. I literally like just shit myself a bit. I'll be right back. Just kidding.
Dude, what color is this?
That's actually a factory color.
No.
Yeah,
No.
that's factory.
No factory.
Yeah, it is.
That's
It's an M3 color. It's not the only color they came in. It's just
like
specific to
lime
M cars.
green.
Kinda, right?
It's like lime green.
But no, man. Like, come over here. Look inside the door jambs.
Inside it?
Yeah, all the exact same color. Like, even the interior, I'm quite sure, is oversprayed by the same green. There's no other color. Same thing on the engine bay. The engine bay is the exact same color too. Okay, so, Marty, this is where it gets interesting. Because now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that thing from up there and put it down there. We're moving it off the trailer. Yeah, I don't think he believes us. He's like, shit, I gotta go home. Hey,
It shouldn't be that heavy.
you're a big guy.
There's
right?
no engine, it's not that heavy.
Okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna go grab the, yeah.
Bro, once you start working on this,
Yeah, it's
and
a big,
actually run it, it's gonna sound so nice.
it's a big project. I think you should do an LS swap on it.
Oh shit.
It's heavy, but
This. How did you guys do this?
5 people.
Oh, my back.
Yeah, 5 people did it.
Presents.
Alright.
Yo,
Dinner's ready.
Queen Bee. I'm your favorite.
I'm gonna eat without you.
No, you won't.
What are you cooking for?
Us too.
What do you mean us too? What did you invite me then?
I'll give you a piece. I'll give you guys both a little.
A little?
A little.
Bro, you gotta make
I mean,
it for me.
I'm giving Brandon more than I'm giving you, Marty.
Oh, why
Because
is
you
that?
know,
Why is
Brandon's my BB, and he works harder.
that? Oh yeah? Okay.
See, whatever. No, Marty, no.
I head out there.
I'm head out. Okay, what do you guys think if I use these things as like smooth dollies or whatever? Like, okay, so I'll take this guy. And I'll basically just like, and then I'll go. Is that not cool?
No, it's not cool.
Why not? That's not cool. That is. He says that's. He says that it is, and you say it's not. So who the f is right?
It's like edited, so it's gonna be.
Yeah. He knows. He knows. You do things, but he knows things. Ooh, Mr. Mechanic.
You like that? Say yes.
Yes.
There we go.
Say yes again.
Yes.
Yes.
Say it again.
Off. Yeah, it's locked. There's a little. Yep.
Hold on.
It should unlock when you do that.
You guys got it? How do you do that?
Pulled the cable.
What? He wasn't playing it before or what? Oh shit.
Just unhook it.
Yeah. That boy Marty.
Me?
Yeah. You got this.
That was me. Cool.
Let's go grab the truck. Grab the truck. Let's go grab the truck. I am a wee bit nervous. I think there's a pretty good chance that we're gonna be a little overwhelmed with this thing.
Yeah.
Because like, it's light for a car, but it's like still a car, and there's only 3 of us. So like, I don't know, man. It took 5 or 6 of us. Can't quite remember, 5 or 6, just to get it on the trailer. It is easier taking it off because gravity.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Shit, he's sliding.
yo,
Oh shit.
Pretty close.
That's pretty close.
my other bumper.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Oh, we can probably do this. We might be able to do this. Oh. 3, 2.
You want to put a piece of plywood there?
Kaya, come. Hi, baby.
2.
Okay, yeah, that's tilty.
Come on. Okay, bring it down. You got that. Watch your foot. Yeah. I can't believe we're actually doing this. Okay.
Okay, what do I need to do?
Say hi.
Just on the left. And when we say go. Yeah, your side is definitely heavier. Okay. Last one. Ready? 3, 2. Oh. So we should be able to push it. How did we do that with 3 of us?
Yeah. That's awesome.
Like, I actually expected that we would something up. So I was gonna have to get like a front fender completely redone. You just lean on it.
He did. Hey,
What?
say something.
That's sick. I seriously, I can't believe that just happened.
Brad, now you gotta work on it.
Mine's locked. I'm pretty sure they're only supposed to have one lock each on them.
Just put wood in front of them like you did to the trailer.
Yeah, I tried locking it and it didn't lock. Well, you could just.
Just put some like woods under it.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Nobody reads anything I said until Monty says it. You motherfucker. I said, put wood in front of the
No, I
tires.
said put wood in.
And then no one f***ing heard me. And
Molly
then
said
Monty's like,
first,
hey,
yeah,
put wood in
I
front
said
of the
first.
tires.
It was Alana, I'll give her credit.
Yeah, it was f***ing me. I said it before Monty.
Okay, so as you can see, we finally got it off the truck and trailer. So this isn't going to be a walk around video or anything like that. I'll do that in a separate video that'll link right up here for when I actually finish it. As you can see, we definitely have a lot of work to do. It's getting pretty late, so we're gonna head out, but feel free to check out the channel and maybe go and see if there's some more videos about this guy if you're interested, or any of the other projects that we got on the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have a good one. It actually has like carbon fiber on the front piece.
Yeah.
I don't think this one is it? It kind of, is it? I think it's carbon.
That's carbon.
Okay, that's cool. Seriously though, this color. Oh. Now you're yawning.